Yeah, you can mess with it. Yeah.
What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you a quick little way you can stutter your vocals, get that stutter effect. The gotta go get it. Ain't nobody messing with it. It's honestly quick and simple to do. Let's get into it. Now, of course, like always, I gotta find a beat and freestyle something quick. So I'm gonna grab a random beat. We'll use this J. Cole, Mac Miller type beat. Do it like Logic.
Yeah, you can mess with it. Yeah, I ain't never ever stop. Yeah, we headed to the top. Yeah, it's a stutter effect, it's a stutter effect, yeah.
Bars, so many bars. Now it's super simple. All we gotta do is copy our vocal track. So copy it, then paste it underneath. Make sure you have the same effects on this track as well. Make sure the volume's set about the same. I like to turn it down slightly, so we'll go to -11. And all we're gonna do is just move this one at the bottom slightly forward. And you guys will see it will give you that stutter effect.
Yeah.
And now we have the stutter effect. All we gotta do is just cut out everything that we don't need.
Yeah. You can mess with it. Yeah, I ain't never ever stop.
And you're gonna want to clean these up a little bit, so like add a fade. And if you want, you can change the effects on this rack, so like add more reverb.
Yeah. You can mess with.
I don't know. You can do some cool things. You can even do 2 of these if you want to. So it's like you.
Yeah.
But you can customize it the way you like, and yeah, that's the stutter effect.
Yeah, you can mess with it. Yeah, I ain't never ever stop. Yep. Yeah, we headed to the top. Yeah, it's a stutter effect, it's a stutter effect. Yeah.